and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're just about to leave to head off for a Celtic Gathering 2023 weekend over in the Ring of Kerry in Ireland. We've got a wee challenge though before we go, haven't we? Getting out the end of the drive.
Yeah.
They've been digging up the road, so we're going to have to get blocks of wood. So join us and let's see where this journey takes us.
Bye. To the first hotel, and Stuart has just remembered that he has forgotten his kilt. He has forgotten his kilt, so we're having to turn round and head home. So that's the first little bit of excitement on our 5-day tour.
This is the Creebridge House Hotel that we stayed in last night. Well, it took us, what should have been a 3-hour journey, it took us 6 hours, because no doubt Carolan's already told you I forgot my kilt and we had to go back for it. Anyway, that's a mistake we'll not make again. I came down this morning just to see if there was any heavy frost in the cars, because it's been reported it's been minus 15 all night, but it's actually quite nice. So that's Alan's Tuscan and Cammie's Griff, and then we've got Hamish's T350, and then we've got Ron's Chimera 500, and as I walk round we've got my Griff 500. There we are, just some light spots of frost, but all good and ready for the journey this morning. So let's catch up soon when we get back on the road. This is 2 on our travels down to Kerry. There's Paul's Aston, beautiful colour. and we've had a wee drop of snow overnight. Wow. First day in Ireland for our actual Celtic Gathering event, so I'll just turn around, it's pouring with rain. I'll just show all the cars that are here. There's Tony's nice 400 SE wedge, got some Tuscans, some Griffs, and here we are back to our cars. Right, let's get settled and ready to go.
You named your son Trevor, though.
Yeah.
But I don't see one Trevor here. So we brought them to you.
Yeah.
And if you pay a bit more money than you paid for most of these cars, you might be able to get one.
Yeah.
But they are still exceptional value, so I highly encourage you to buy one now.
All right.
But listen, I say thanks very much for letting us come visit your museum here. And I hope everybody, if you have any questions, there's some great stories behind these cars. We do need to leave soon to keep us on track. 11 o'clock we have to be leaving out here. We're all going to leave together. All right, so it's going to be quite a big group of people. The next stop is the Molly Gallivan's Museum. It is on the maps. We're stopping there just for a brief moment so we can get everybody up to Caja Pass together. Melissa, thanks very much for your hospitality.
finally got home after 1,291 miles round trip. We've had an amazing weekend at Celtic Gathering 2023 in Ireland.
Yeah, it's been fantastic. Tiring but fantastic.
We've had some crazy roads, crazy weather on the roads today with heavy snow, blizzards, sun, rain, you name it. We've had it all. We're home. So hopefully we can make a video out of this. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do, because you know it's free. And if you press the bell notification, that'll let you know the next time I post a video. So thanks very much for watching, and here's to the next video.
Bye.